Hello guys, welcome back. So today we have a heater, a third generation heater, which the customer is telling us that in low speed the heater is not working, so he's having problems. Now I started the heater, it worked just fine. But then I thought, let's see on low speed. At first, from high to low, from high to low, it works fine. No problems. But then I said, okay, let's stop the heater and start it close to the set point. And this is when we got smoke. So the pump I have is perfect, everything is good what I have here, fuel and everything. So I would say, because I have no other idea, let's open up and take a look at the burner. Do you think this is a warranty? Because I'm pretty sure nobody from the factory puts these things inside the burner, So I will hit it, I will try to break apart what's inside, but if it doesn't work, then we need another flame tube. And you can see also from the suit that this is something that's got to do with the burning process, something is incomplete. So how can we tell if it's the pump or if it's something else? Well, it's not the pump, because the customer already changed I don't know how many pumps or why, but the problem still remains. So this is what we found inside. It doesn't look like much, but the burner is this size, and this is from the heat exchanger, and we cleaned it as much as possible. This will be fine. And this is from the inside the burner, and look at this, it's like crunchy, So what's this? I mean, it looks like something from the fuel. I don't think it's from the mixture. For me it looks like something from the fuel. Not exactly what. I don't know what exactly. It's hard. So this was blocking the... Look, it's like a solid rock. I'm not sure what. We will take a look inside. Let me try to focus. It looks better. It's not perfect, which it will never be, but I will put it back and see how it's working. If not, the customer already knows he needs another burner. So I just started the heater. Very close to the set point is also the temperature. We have a 20-degree set point. Yes, and as you can see, I want to force the heater to work on small, not on high. But as you can see, it's smoking. So I'm not sure we did anything with that cleaning of the burner. So we can say the burner is compromised. So just for the sake of it, I set a bigger temperature, and we are waiting for the heater to speed up. You can see that the smoke is... it's going away, kind of. We still have a little bit, but much less, and it's step by step going away, and the heater is working really fine. And this is what also the customer is telling us. So here is the new burner. There is a little bit of difference, and with gaskets and everything, also the gasket from here, yeah, we will put it all together and we will try to start it. Alright, so the heater is starting now. I can hear the pump. The heater will be hopefully on low speed. It didn't start yet to burn. We are monitoring the exhaust. Yeah, now it's starting to burn. It takes a little time for the mesh to be filled with fuel. There is a little bit of smoke now, but let's wait. So we will try another thing. We see we have a newer software version than the one installed. So acoustic optimization. I don't know what this is. Let's try to start it with this installed. Alright, so the same thing, just 1 degree of difference. If this doesn't work, I don't know. Maybe we throw the heater away. Okay, so now the pump started. And look at that, guys. The burning process started and there is absolutely no flame. No smoke until now. Well, it clearly doesn't work. What else will there be? Should we change the glow plug or should we go straight to the ECU? I have no idea what else we can change. So before taking it down, I want to test it. So here I selected the glow plug 100% and let's see what happens when I hit start. Let me just lock the, not like this, the focus on the glow plug, and let's start. Okay, so we can see this is how much this glow plug is heating up. And I will put a new one. I think this is max. I will stop. Of course, we cannot see the temperature and so on. Alright, so let's try again with a new one. Well, what do you think? Is it different? For me, on the camera it looks a little bit brighter, but I'm not sure. So the other one, after a while, went to about 105 watts. This is 109. It does consume a little bit more. Okay, we will stop it and mount it back and start the heater. Let's see what happens. Alright, so here we are again. The heater is starting. No smoke so far. Oh, I don't have the exhaust connected. We did have a little bit of smoke, but I will wait a little bit for it to start. So now we have a heat output about 12%. Yes, and where is the RPM? 1861. And the smoke is no more. So probably now it burned up all the arbor fuel that was there, and the heater is sounding really nice. Yeah, so I will run it one time up to max, and then we will stop the heater and try to start it on this low RPM again, because this is where we have the problems. So we left the heater to cool down on ventilation, and now it's starting again. Alright, so now the pump is on. Let's see how it starts. I can hear it burning. No smoke. Currently heat output is at 10%, so we are on low speed. Yes, but the starting process is perfect. So no more smoke. Yeah, you can see we are at 11%. It's okay. Everything's working fine. Alright, so this is the glow plug that we changed. Nothing really visible on it to see if it's defective or not. But now we will do a last test. The heater just ran. You can see we have 23 degrees, and we will set it now to 24 to ask for a small heating power. This is what I think is happening, or what it happened. The heater worked fine, reached the temperature, stopped, and when starting again on small rotation, this is where the problem with the glow plug was most evident, because otherwise the heater started right away without any smoke or nothing like that. So we hear the pump starting. I already hear it burning. We have no smoke whatsoever. I even took down the charger from the battery to simulate normal voltage drop and everything. We have now 11 volts from what I can see on the diagnostics, and it's not smoking, yeah? And everything's fine. 20% heat, and the glow plug is still pulling 88 watts, yeah, right here. Normal voltage, everything. So we should be fine now. Yeah. So I believe this was a bad glow plug, maybe from start, from factory. And I think so, because this customer already changed pumps, 2 pumps and something like that, fed it from a bottle and everything, and it was still doing the same thing, which I didn't find when first starting the heater. So we still have the glow plug, a little bit active, we are in flame stabilization, yeah, but this is when the heater would already smoke, and now it's not. Okay, so this was a tricky one and I didn't expect that, but this is it, yeah. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.